Hi, have a look of our bulk condom. If you have packing machine in your factory, you can buy this kind of bulk condom from us and pack by yourself. We can supply different kinds of bulk condom, such as dotted, ribbed, color condom. We also can supply different sizes, such as length 170 mm, 180 mm, 190 mm. We also can supply proper cover. The MOQ of this kind of bulk condom is 100,000 pieces. You also can buy bulk condom with 4 pouch from us, like this one. You can pack these condoms into the box by yourself. You can save freight charges and your local customs duties. All condom is produced according to international standard. CE standard, CE certification, ISO. Welcome your inquiry us.